Today, we will talk about how to contribute to a Roth IRA. Let's have a look at the details. Roth IRAs, or individual retirement accounts, are accounts where withdrawals are tax-free while money going into the account has already been taxed. They are ideal for younger, low-income workers who expect that when they reach retirement age, they will be in a higher tax bracket than they currently are. As long as you're working, you can contribute to a Roth IRA. Fewer limits and restrictions make it easier to contribute to a Roth IRA than to a traditional IRA. Contributions to your IRA are governed by your marital status, how you file your taxes, the other accounts you have, and your income level. The first method is deciding when and how to fund your IRA. Find the right time to make contributions. Contributions to your Roth IRA in a given year can be made any time during that year. Additionally, you can count contributions made before filing taxes for that year toward your Roth IRA. Choose what investments you want to build your IRA with. IRAs allow you to choose from a diverse number of investment options. ETFs, stocks, bonds, index funds, mutual funds, and annuities are just some of the investment options for an IRA. Make regular contributions to your IRA. The more money you put into the account, the faster it will grow. Even if you can't contribute the maximum possible amount, try to set aside some money each month to deposit into the account. Through the magic of compound interest, your investment will grow rapidly. Contribute to the IRA online. Online banking is an easy and convenient way to add funds to your IRA. By making IRA contributions online, you'll be able to streamline the process of moving funds into the account. Set up automatic IRA contributions. By setting up automated contributions to your IRA through your bank or broker, you can remove not only the hassle of arranging contributions each month, but also remove the possibility that you will skip contributions. Now, the second method is determining contribution limits based on how you file taxes. Analyze your income when you file taxes as a widow, widower, or file jointly. If you are a widow, widower, or you file jointly with your spouse and your modified adjusted gross income, MAGI, exceeds $183,000 but is less than $193,000, your Roth IRA contribution will be reduced by a margin proportional to your earnings. If your MAGI exceed $193,000, you cannot contribute to a Roth IRA. If your MAGI is below $183,000, you can contribute up to $5,500 or your total taxable income, assuming it is less than $5,500 for that year. Recognize that your income can impact your contribution limit if you file taxes separately from your spouse. Understand that your contribution limit will change even if your MAGI is low. The third method is calculating the reduced Roth IRA maximum contribution. If you file taxes as a widow, widower, or a married couple that files taxes jointly, your maximum IRA contribution level will be different than that of someone who files taxes as a single person, head of household, or someone who is married but filing taxes separately from their spouse. Determine your Roth IRA maximum contribution when filing taxes separately from the spouse you lived with during the year. Calculate your reduced Roth IRA maximum contribution for all other situations. The fourth or the last method is determining contribution limits if you contribute to other accounts. Contribute to Roth IRAs exclusively. If you contribute to Roth IRAs and do not contribute to traditional IRAs, you can contribute a maximum of either $5,500 or the total taxable earned income you brought home in a given year. If you are 50 years old or older, you can contribute a maximum of $6,500 per year. Determine whether to invest in traditional IRAs or Roth IRAs. Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs offer different advantages and disadvantages. Choosing which type of IRA to invest in will depend on your financial circumstances and personal preferences. Contribute to both Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs. If you have both a regular and a Roth IRA, your maximum contribution limit is different than it would be in the case of someone exclusively contributing to Roth IRAs. Make qualified reservist contributions. If you are a reservist in the military within 2 years of ending your active duty period, you can make a contribution using money earned during military service. The money could be from another IRA or from the funds you asked your employer, the military, to deduct from your wages and put toward a retirement plan, including a 401k or 403b. If you make a qualified reservist contribution to your Roth IRA, you can increase your contribution limit in a given year. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.